Stress, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you top 10 base RWA category altcoins here, because in this channel I mostly share you meme coins with you, but right now this is another base category that has potential to be the next $1 billion cap, because already you can see $41 billion valuation in real world assets token. You can see friends RWA coins. So these 10 coin has potential to be the next multi-billion-dollars market coin, and maybe we can see them to give us at least 50 to 100 or maybe up to 1000x returns in this year mega bull run. Friends, our first coin is Original Child. TRC traces symbols. You pay $4 current price, and you can see chart is looking good. And if BTC goes well and market stabilize at these level where BTC and Ethereum right now, then we can see a massive boom in this coin. And current market, we can see friends, $214 million, $1.9 million trading volume in last 24 hours, and a 500 million coin supply only, all in circulation. So this is good. This all supply is in circulation. No more token left to come in circulation in the future. Narratives are amazing that not only RWA category coin, but you can see friends, artificial intelligence meets AI coin, and decentralized science AI agent deep in category, and metaverse. So this is good. So definitely this coin has potential to be the next big crypto also, but this is not a new coin. You can see all-time low was in 2022. So this coin going to fast his second bull run this year. Already hit $3.5, where from we are 78% down. So we are 7% down this all-time high, and it's still 11,000% up than its all-time low. So coin has performed amazing here. You can see friends, Coinbase has already listed this coin, and Gate.io, Kukan has also listed this coin. Kraken has list, but still not on Binance. Or maybe friends is possible, because maybe you can see Binance US is also list this coin. So maybe Binance Global can list this coin. And this RWA category coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market coin. First, our second coin is XDC Network. I'm also holding this coin on Kukan Exchange, and you can get all these coin from Kukan Exchange and also on MEX Exchange, because many coins are still not on Binance Coinbase. So you can join MEX and Kukan Exchange. Both links are provided in description already, so you can join both central exchanges. You can see friends, XDC current market $1.1 billion already. But friends, these type of coin that have amazing use cases has potential to be the next at least 80 to $100 billion market coin. $29 million trading volume in last 24 hours, 37 billion coin supply, 50% circulation. Okay, so it's still almost 50% tokens left to come in circulation in the future. Smart contract platform, layer one chain, real world assets. So this is really amazing. And 62% down the all time high. There was also 3 years ago, and all time low was 6 years ago. So another all meme coin has already killed 3 zeros since its launching. So this is awesome performance from this coin. 18,000% up the all time low. And friends, you see these are the central exchanges where this coin is listed: MEXC, CoinX, KuCoin, Gate.io has also listed this coin. Bitrue. So these are some central exchanges where this coin is already listed. So XTC has also potential to be the next $1 billion market coin. Friends, is still not on Binance Coinbase yet, this coin, but maybe we can see it's listing on Binance Coinbase because market is already good. But the reason why still Binance not list this coin is the circulation supply that is only 15 billion, but total supply is 37.9 billion. Maybe when this all supply will be in circulation, then we can see its listing on major central exchanges. But I think definitely XDC has potential to be the next 50 to $80 billion market coin. First, third one is Maple Finance. Syrup is symbols. You print $3 current price. You can see last 30 days performance is amazing. 166% pump in last 30 days. 111% pump in last 14 days. This is good. $402 million market right now. $119 billion trading volume in last 24 hours. This is really good. 1.1 billion coin supply and all in circulation. This is really good. That's why this coin is good. Decentralized finance, shield farming, lending and borrowing protocol, real world asset, and Binance Spot Alpha Live. So this is good. Right now, this coin is in its all-time high price. So making investment right now can be highly risky, because maybe we can see a correction in market, and after that, Maple Finance can also jump and we can buy this coin at low price. You can see friends, all-time low price was $0.085. Just 1 month old crypto, launched in I think April this year. So this is good because previous both meme coins for very old coins, but this is new coin, and you can see friends listed in Binance, Coinbase, most recent like exchange listing done for this coin. But because this is new real world asset coin, so has potential to be the next maybe 40 to 50 billion dollars market cap coin. First, fourth one is Kata KTS symbol $5 current price. Last series performance is amazing. You can see friends that 200% pump for this coin, $211 million market for this coin, 1 billion coin supply, all in circulation. So this is really good. $10.5 billion trading volume in last 24 hours. So this is really good, friends. Coinbase ecosystem coin and layer 1 chain also. You can see friends, layer 1 chain real world asset and payment solution stable coin portfolio. So Catchy has also potential to be the next $1 billion market. You can see friends, right now we are on its all-time high, so you have to also wait for this coin to come down. You can see 12 hours ago this coin did make its all-time high, and right now we are only 7% down the all-time high. So maybe we can see a good jump in this coin, and then we can make entries here. And you can see Arbit, Lbank, Hotcoin has also listed this coin. So it's still lots of like chain listing left for this coin, and it's still not on Binance, Coinbase, not on KuCoin, MEXC. But maybe in coming few days we can see its listing on major central exchanges also. Market cap is right now low $211 billion, but friends, because layer 1 and real world asset coin, so has potential to be the next $1 billion coin. Plus fifth one is Zabbak Network, $0.0018 current price. Current market cap right now 148 million, 8.7 million dollars trading volume in last 24 hours. 100 billion supply, 78 billion in circulation. Solana ecosystem coin, you can see friends, DeFi coin, real world asset payment solution, Deepin project. We are 46% down this all time high. They were 1 year ago, and 168% up in this all time low. So coin is also new. Like we have XDC, they were 6 years old. So this coin is going to fastest first pick up on this year, and already listed on, you can see friends, OKX, KuCoin, MEXC, Crypto.com, Bluefin. So already good central exchange listing for Zabbak, and Zabbak has also potential to be the next $1 billion coin. For sixth one, and my most favorite coin in this list is TokenFi. Okay, because I already make is I think 2 or 3 separated video also in this channel. Flock ecosystem coin, TokenFi's name $0.02 current price, and you can see friends market just 51 million. Okay, I think lowest market coin in this list only 1.7 million dollars market, $4.7 million trading volume in last 24 hours. Still not on major central exchanges just like Binance. 10 billion coin supply, 2.4 billion in circulation. So this is the only worried thing about this coin, that is almost I think 60 to 80% supply left to come in circulation. That is why still Binance don't list this coin, but when it's all supply will be in circulation, then definitely we can see its listing on Binance, Coinbase also. You can see friends, AI coin and decentralized finance, real world assets, Telegram apps, and TokenFi Launchpad. Also, we are 91% down the all time high. They were 1 year ago, and 41,000% up the all time low. So, TokenFi, I'm already holding on KuCoin exchange. You can see, friends, KuCoin has also listed this coin, Get.io. Okay, already listed on major central exchanges just like Bioeconomy also lists this coin, CoinX, and mostly, but it's still not on Binance, because as I will show you that Binance will list this coin when its mostly supply will be in circulation. Right now coin has only I think just 30% supply in circulation, so 60 to 70% supply left to come in circulation. But buy price prediction for TokenFi is at least we can see this coin from 51 million to maybe up to $20 billion. The seventh one is Clearpool. Cpool symbol $0.14 current price, $112 million market for this coin. And Ethereum ecosystem coin, you can see friends, decentralized finance, real world asset, made in USA, DAO Maker launchpad, all time high was $2.5, where from we are 94% down. Okay, in previous program, so maybe in this program we can see its new all time high, and the coin can make amazing hype in crypto market. Kraken has also listed this coin, and so it's still not on Binance Coinbase, but friends, maybe we can see its listing on Binance Coinbase, and this RWA category coin has potential to also be the next $1 billion market coin. Ninth one is usual $0.13 current price, $115 million market for this coin, $22.9 million trading volume in last 24 hours. 4 billion coin supply. You can see friends, 4 billion supply, but in circulation very, very low, 881 million only. So this is not good thing for this coin. That is only, I think, 30% supplies in circulation. And you can see friends, DeFi coin, RWA category coin. Okay, real world assets. So this is good. We are 91% down the all-time high though 5 months ago, and only 23% up the all-time low. And so right now we are on this all-time low. Maybe it's possible that this coin can also make a massive hype. It can give us a good return. You can see friends, already listed on major central exchanges, just like MEXC is listed this coin, and Bitnix has listed this coin. Binance has listed this coin. You can see friends, Binance is here. Kraken has also listed this coin. Okay, Binance has also listed this coin. So maybe this coin has also potential to be the next big meme coin. Friends, number one in this list is High Market, and I think High Market coin in RWA category overall. Its name is Chainlink. I'm also holding this coin in my trust vault. I buy this coin, I think around $12. I have three Chainlink coin. Maybe I can buy 5 to 10 more because I think this coin has potential to be the next maybe $200 price coin or maybe more. $15.6 million, $15.6 current price, $10 billion market already for this coin. And I can see friends, 1 billion market total, sorry, $1 billion max supply and circulation 657 million only. So it's almost I think 30% supply left to come in circulation. But this is not a meme coin, this is very good coin. And maybe you can see friends, business services, infrastructure and smart contract platform, RWA category coin. So this is good and mostly listed on all central exchanges. You can see friends, okay, Coinbase and all central exchanges. Binance is also listed coin. I think Chainlink has potential to be the next at least $200 billion market cap coin. It's really possible that we can see Chainlink from just 10 billion up to 200 billion. That will be exactly 20x from here, and it's really possible. By your price prediction about this coin. And friends, if you wanna buy any of these coin, do your own research also and then invest here.